We're here in Ohio at TORG video game convention, looking for the weird things, looking for the obscure items in the video game world. My best friends,
Rachel, Veronica.
they work here. They work for TORG, and they're like, Rick, there's a vintage Atari jacket that you must get. And they showed it to me. And we made it happen.
They look
My
great.
freaking friends.
So glad.
He had 150 on it. We got it for 120. I think that's a good price. Is it a good price? I don't know, but I like it. Ooh.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
I haven't paid for it yet though. Probably should. Jesse's been selling so much. He's so rich. He's been selling so much stuff. Everyone's just like, I want to give you my money for your cool stuff. It's my turn. Can I see the Game Boy Micro?
Yes.
So this is a Game Boy Micro, sealed. Have never seen one sealed before.
The new Game Boy Micro. Extremely portable. Extremely stylish.
Okay, so here we have the Game Boy Advance GBA Pokemon Crystal variant. Now, this has no game or the insert, but still, you said the black one's a little more rare?
Yeah, so you always see the indigo one. I haven't seen many of the black one even ever come up. They're always the Toys R Us exclusive, but you can find the indigo one.
Okay.
But the black one, it's few and far between that you see.
So this is the one that I'm most interested in. You said you had something else too that was pretty cool? That's a little bit,
yes.
let's pull that out.
So the backstory on this, I didn't know it existed until I knew it existed.
Okay.
As far as I know, there was only 500 of them made. And I was only able to find about 4 sales within like the last 4 years. I mean, obviously, like, it's massive. It comes with Wii Sports, Wii Resort,
So just
Mario
had all
Kart, the bag. It comes with everything.
What do you have on that?
I'm asking 1,000.
Castle Duels is a unique PvP card strategy game with tower defense mechanics. The real-time PvP with over 30 unique 3D units to summon and merge is so much fun, and you'll experience true tactical depth through deck building and battle boosts. Castle Duels' easy-to-grasp mechanics make it accessible for beginners, while deep strategic options keep experienced players engaged. Now, I personally love the art style of this game. The colors are super vibrant, and the gameplay is very smooth. I also love how you're able to strategically merge and upgrade your characters to give yourself the edge over your opponent in a match. Not only that, but the Winter Wonderland holiday event is starting on December 19th, where players can collect decorative cards and unique rewards like the Frost Knight, and try their luck with a festive roulette for legendary prizes. Experience Castle Duels for yourself by scanning the QR code or using the link down in our description. Challenge your friends, win the battle, take the treasure, and enjoy the journey with Castle Duels. Thank you again to Castle Duels for sponsoring today's video. Let's get back into it. Okay, so this is an actual exhibit of weird and obscure stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, look at this. Look at this. Oh, the Psychopath. And then I saw, look at this, guys. All right, have you ever seen this item?
No.
It's the handy sonar. You could use it fishing. Like legitimate, it works in the water. Wow. Ooh, it's weird. It's obscure. The glove, power glove for the N64. And then look.
Game sounds.
We got the R zone. Sorry about how it looks.
I'm probably not
here.
supposed to touch. Do not touch.
Oh, do not touch. How
Sorry.
Don't touch me! Oh, all the blockbuster cases, the Sega,
the thing that he was
Turbo Graphics, the Rollin' Rocker, Game.com. Okay, I have never seen this in the
PlayStation version.
Oh yeah, I guess it is PlayStation. Yeah. Sealed. Oh, look at them there too.
Oh, there's all kinds of stuff over here.
So, my bestest friend Kylie, she goes, maybe if I buy this, right?
Maybe.
She has the sickest amiibo kiosk. Remind me, where did y'all get this again? Do you remember?
We got it from Illinois. Dad's buddy out there that he buys stuff off of all the time actually found it and reached out to him like, would you be interested? And he was like, yeah.
Okay.
So they worked it out and got it here, and
It's in really, really, really good shape. We kind of talked about it a little bit. And she said 1,200 cash, 800 in-store credit.
Yeah.
We're still thinking, and if it sells before I can pull the trigger, it sells, but I am thinking still.
Okay. No problem.
You can add character costumes into the world of Mario in Super Mario Maker.
All right, I'm here with Zach. He just showed me a really cool piece. Now, this is from your personal collection that you have?
Yes.
Okay, so this is a Super Mario All-Stars, like, mini duffel bag. It's pretty tiny, but it's sick.
Small.
Looks like a EB Games Electronics Boutique Super Nintendo little duffel bag. Can you tell us a little bit about what this is, what it's from?
So I got it from the original owner, and from my understanding, there was a tournament, and if you won that tournament, you'd get this bag with a copy of Super Mario All-Stars inside of it.
Okay, and he is looking to potentially sell it, he said. Do you know what you're like, is this kind of where I need to be, or am I low on it? I'm definitely interested, and I would definitely keep it for the collection.
For you, I would do 250.
Would you consider 220?
Do 230.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it as I drop it. Dude, sick. Another very weird and obscure piece. This is amazing, man.
Hey, I'm happy it could go to you.
Yeah, dude. That's so sick, man. Weird and obscure, right off the bat. I got stopped by Nick and Owen to say, hey, they're fans of the channel. Super appreciate that. What the heck, dude? What do you have right here?
So this is a Xbox Series X monster controller that was only given out to employees that were from the company from a giveaway, I believe during like holiday season, he said.
Yeah.
It was for like promotional stuff. And he said only around 2 to 4 of these exist. Because there's other like giveaways as well. There was like monitors, chairs, and one of the big ones with these that was this Xbox controller, which is just this guy right here.
Dude, that's awesome. And can't find any information on pricing or what it may be worth or anything?
No?
So yeah, can't find a lot of information on value, but dude, super rare, dude. That's awesome. Are you looking to sell it, or are you like just kind of?
I'm just keeping it. I'm an Xbox guy, big into that stuff, so I'm keeping this for my collection.
Well, appreciate you showing it to us, man. That's a super cool piece.
All good, man. Anytime.
We're here with Chris. Where are you from?
Louisville, Kentucky.
Louisville. He just pulled out one of the craziest things I've seen. Where did you get this?
The yard sale.
Bro.
The yard sale.
Guys, the ice blue Zelda
No listing sold.
Link's Awakening box.
Zelda Link's Awakening from Nintendo. You play a medieval elf named Link.
You travel through many worlds, meeting endless characters on your eternal adventures.
So hey, next time you're Rick Mail, why not try Zelda Link's Awakening?
Where are you at right now on this? He's trying to sell it, right? You didn't get this here.
No, I'm at 1,000.
Okay.
The screen has dead pixels on it, but I bought a replacement. So I'll give these to you also.
Okay,
Change
with
the
it?
screen. Yep.
And you're at 1,000. Are you
I'm like firm.
firm at a grand?
I think it's over 1,000. I think it's 13, 14. No.
Are you going to be here all weekend?
No, just
today?
Just today. Just for a few more hours.
The pressure is mounting. Holy
If you
crap.
want to take it right now, I'll give it to you for $9.50.
$9.50.
You want to pull it out and check it out?
Yeah, let's check it out.
$9.51.
Get out. Skylar. Yeah. Okay. Got some dead pixels.
Oh no, this has got bent a little bit.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
$9.50 is all yours.
Nice, dude. That's so gorgeous. Everyone's filming it. Everyone's all around looking at it.
You got
$9.40, that's all yours.
Apparently this is super rare, like mega rare. None are anywhere online.
Only real damage on the box is where the sticker.
We got the sticker.
Yeah.
We got the sticker. Man.
Not a single one on eBay sold. And Rick could own it and take it to the store.
What a salesman.
You might be the only one for that. All we know that has the CIB.
This is some major pressure right now.
Only one that has the CIB that we know of. Anywhere. Another year that could be worth $2,000.
Yeah. Could be. Are there any listings?
None. There's one with the box, the Game Boy. You want me to show it to you? That thing is $800, and that thing is trashed.
Dude, this is is tough, man.
Let me see if I can find that listing.
I mean, I've never seen one in person. I'll say that. Dude,
Water damage.
Would you do 900?
920. 920, and I'm giving you this for a screen replacement.
See, I feel like we gotta hug it out, dude. 920. I'm in, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Dude, this is crazy, man.
I mean, I'm glad you took it home.
Dude, I'm so pumped.
Yeah.
I'm so pumped. This is awesome. Wow. Well, that just happened.
Retro Rick was so excited that he forgot to say anything else and just ended the video. Retro Rick is now broke and homeless and lives on the streets. Subscribe if you want to give Rick 4 pennies.